Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? It's, I really just wanted to share an experience with you guys. The vehicle had a Toyota Extra Care extended warranty contract, and the customer had all sorts of things wrong with it. They were complaining of knocks over bumps, they were complaining of weird squeaking noise, and the bushings in the control arms went, the top of the strut mount went, freaking struts were leaking, sway bar bushings were knocking away, and the links, well, yeah, they had a little bit of play to them. So with it having Toyota Extra Care, that means all OEM parts. And honestly, it warms my heart that we used OEM control arms, OEM struts, OEM links, OEM spring, OEM top strut mount, OEM rubber isolators, and that goes for both sides. OEM sway bar bushings right up in there. It's beautiful. Beautiful. This road test is going to be freaking glorious. And to match it, let's go to the rear. We got brand new OEM rear shocks. Now we're off to the alignment rack and on the maiden voyage. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.